Welcome to our video on 40 fascinating facts about kangaroos. These iconic animals of Australia have a lot more to them than meets the eye.
Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning they carry their young, known as joeys, in a pouch.
There are four main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, eastern gray kangaroo, western gray kangaroo, and the antilopine kangaroo.
Red kangaroos are the largest marsupials in the world.
A group of kangaroos is called a mob, troop, or court.
Kangaroos can leap over 3 meters high and cover more than 7.6 meters in a single bound. They can reach speeds of over 56 kilometers per hour.
Kangaroos use their large feet to help them balance and for self-defense.
Male kangaroos are called boomers, bucks, or jacks, and females are called does, flyers, or jills.
Kangaroos have extremely powerful hind legs designed for jumping.
They are unable to walk backwards.
Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses and shrubs.
They have chambered stomachs, similar to cows, which help them digest tough plant materials.
Kangaroo joeys are born incredibly small, about the size of a jelly bean.
Newborn joeys live in their mother's pouch for about 6 months. Kangaroos communicate using a variety of sounds, including clucking, grunting, and hissing.
They also use body language, such as thumping their tails or stamping their feet, to communicate. Kangaroos have excellent hearing and can swivel their ears in different directions to detect predators.
They also rely heavily on their keen sense of smell. Kangaroos are social animals and prefer to live in groups.
During hot weather, kangaroos lick their forearms to help regulate their body temperature.
They are a national symbol of Australia and appear on the Australian coat of arms and currency.
Kangaroo meat is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world.
Male kangaroos often box each other as a display of strength and dominance. Kangaroos have a complex series of tendons and muscles in their legs, which act like a spring to help them hop.
They can swim and are known to do so to escape predators.
Kangaroos are most active during the early morning and late afternoon, avoiding the heat of the day. Despite their large size, kangaroos are surprisingly lightweight, with red kangaroos averaging around 85 kilograms for males.
Their front limbs are much smaller than their hind limbs, and they are used for grooming and feeding.
Kangaroos have a specialized tendon called the Achilles tendon, which stores and releases energy to make their hopping more efficient.
The tail of a kangaroo is strong and muscular, and it is often used for balance and as a fifth limb when moving slowly.
Due to the structure of their legs and tails, kangaroos cannot move at slow speeds efficiently and must use a hopping motion.
Kangaroo populations can be found primarily in Australia, with some groups existing in Papua New Guinea.
They have a lifespan of around 6 to 8 years in the wild, but can live up to 20 years in captivity.
Kangaroos do not sweat like humans do. Instead, they lick their forearms where the blood vessels are close to the surface of the skin.
Their fur can range in color from reddish-brown to gray to chocolate brown, depending on the species.
Kangaroo milk changes composition as the joey grows, providing exactly what the young kangaroo needs at different stages of development.
Kangaroos have a special way of conserving water and can survive long periods without drinking.
Their numbers have increased so much in Australia that kangaroos are now considered pests in some regions. Joeys stay close to their mothers until they are about 8 months old, after which they start to explore more independently. There's so much more to kangaroos than meets the eye. So next time you see one, you'll know a little more about why these creatures are so special. Thanks for watching.